Today, I want to talk about the positive practice of self-compassion and forgiving yourself for past shortcomings. This is the cornerstone of building an unshakable positive mindset. We all have a past. We all carry regrets, mistakes, and moments we wish we could erase. But let me tell you something crucial. Those moments, those errors, they do not define you. They are not your identity. They are just stepping stones on the path of your growth and evolution. Here are some strategies to help you be compassionate about yourself and forgive yourself for those things that have not gone right. Number one, embrace self-compassion. By embracing self-compassion, it acknowledges your humanity. Understand you are not perfect, and that's perfectly okay. You're a work in progress, just like every single person on the planet. Mistakes are part of this beautiful journey we call life. Number two, practice self-forgiveness. Understand that holding on to past shortcomings only weighs you down. It's like carrying a heavy backpack full of stones, and with every step, it gets harder to move forward. Release that burden. Forgive yourself for what you didn't know then, for the decisions you wish you could change. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Number three, positive self-talk. It is a powerful strategy for self-compassion. Be your own best friend. When those negative thoughts creep in, replace them with words of kindness and positivity and encouragement. Tell yourself that you are deserving of love, understanding, and patience just as much as anyone else. Use I affirmations to make yourself feel more positive about those mistakes. Number four, use mindfulness. Bring your focus into the present moment. Let go of the past, for it's gone and cannot be changed. Let go of the worries about the future, for they are not here yet. Embrace the now, and in this moment practice kindness and understanding towards yourself. And finally, number five, use a supportive network. Surround yourself and seek out friends, family, or even professional help if needed. Don't hesitate to lean on those who uplift you, for their presence can be a powerful force in your journey towards self-compassion and positive mindset. Remember, your past does not define you, your mindset does. Embrace self-compassion, practice forgiveness, and let your positivity shine like a beacon of light, guiding you towards a brighter future. You have the power to transform your life, and it all begins with you. As the positive mindset coach, I want to leave you with a thought. Imagine what your life would be like if you truly believed in your worth, if you embraced your past as a teacher rather than a tormentor. Picture a life filled with self-love, self-compassion, and positivity. That life is within your reach, and it starts with you forgiving yourself for past shortcomings. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think, and your potential is limitless. Embrace self-compassion, forgive yourself, and watch your positive mindset lead you to the incredible life you deserve. Thank you, and please like, subscribe, and comment so we can build this channel together. Sending positive and healing thoughts. Love and light to you all.